Welcome to this short tutorial about the most important reports in Standard CRM. We will give you an overview of the main reports you can run to analyze your contact information. This tutorial describes the two main activities reports, the birthday list report, the contact list report, as well as the personal calendar report. You can find the reports by selecting the reports icon in the navigation center. The list of reports opens. Let's now have a look at these reports. We will start with the Activities Contact report. The Activities Contacts report allows you to see activities per customer. When you choose the report from the list, the report specification window opens, where you can define the information you want to see in the report. First, select a period by pressing Command and Enter in the Period field. This will be the period in which you made contact with the customer. You can also select a specific customer by entering the customer code in the Contact field. If you do so, you will see only this customer in the report with his activities. If you leave this field empty, you will see all customers in the report. You can also choose to see only activities of a specific type or class in the report. Press Run to run the report. In the report, you can see the activities that were registered per customer. On the top on the left, you can see the contact number, followed by the name of the contact, and underneath the activities registered for that customer in the chosen period are listed, including date, length in hours, activity type, the person who registered the activity, contact persons included in the activity, and the description of the activity. The activity numbers are underlined in blue, meaning you can drill down to open them. Next, we will have a look at the Activities Persons report. This report groups activities per person, meaning users of your system, and also lists which customer the person dealt with. That way, you can track the activities of your employees and follow up on their work. When you run the report for your chosen period, you will see the name of the user at the top of a list of activities. On the left, you can see the activity date, followed by the activity type, involved customer and contact of that customer, amount of time spent on this activity, as well as the description of the activity. To investigate, you can drill down to the activity or the customer card by pressing on the number that is underlined in blue. The total time spent on all activities together, as well as the number of activities, will be displayed at the end of the list of activities. Standard CRM also allows you to keep track of your clients' birthdays if you would like to send them specials for their birthday. To do so, run the birthday list report for either one specific or all customers. It will list all birthdays chronologically from January to December, followed by the customer's name and contact details. You also have a link in the report that allows you to create a time to do activity as a reminder of that contact's birthday. The activity will be created and pre-filled when you choose that option. The contact list report is a very helpful report when looking for information about your customers. Open the report specification for this report from the list. You can run it either for a specific customer or for all customers, depending on if you fill in the contact number in the customer field or leave it blank. If you enter a date in the new or updated since field, you will only see customer records that have been created or updated since the date entered. The report also gives multiple selections on which information to include and exclude, as well as what information should be displayed on the report. For example, you can select the telephone function to see only customer number, name, and telephone number displayed on the report. Detailed gives you all the customer's contact details. Press Run to run the report. As you can see, it lists all your contacts followed by their contact details. As with the other reports, the contact number is underlined in blue, which means that you can drill down to it to inspect it. The last report we will look at is the Personal Calendar report. If you would like to see which activities are listed in your calendar for a specific period, you can use this report. Define the period and user whose calendar you would like to see and press Run to open the report. It lists all the registered activities chronologically for the chosen period and gives you a summary of the total number of activities and the total time spent on them at the end of the report. You can drill down to any activity by either pressing the activity time or comment, which are underlined in blue. You can also create a new calendar activity straight from this report by pressing the new activity link at the top left corner. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any more questions about this or any other functionality in Standard CRM, please watch our other tutorials, visit our forum, or read the FAQs on our website at www.standard-accounts.com/crm.